Having seen how we can register or reserve a name in a business, so how can we reserve a name in a company? So again, we come here to company name registration, reservation. So we come and then we choose company. Then we select entity. Is it a single member company? Is it a private limited company? Is it a private limited company by guarantee without shares? So you choose a category. Let me say that one. So you choose, let me say, Flavia J Enterprises. So after putting that name, again you can put more options. So you can choose any extra word mark if needed. If not needed, then you can leave it. So here you choose the nature of business. Let me say finance. There. So you save and continue. So here you preview. So we are reserving a name. Then after preview, then you pay the reservation fee. What is differentiates this from the other one? That here you pay reservation, and then after you pay registration. But for business, you do it at once. You pay reservation and registration at once. Why? Because in a company there are so many sectors that are required. There are so many things that are required.